We may assess the student as a student who is eligible or entitled to go to foundation because he is not or she is not able to write and read. But at that particular moment, we tell them that as long as you have a desire, you will be a teacher in this academy. So the students.
Arabic immersion program. I know we initially announced this, some of the students have said everything's changing. No, inshallah, don't worry. What we've done is the current program that we have, that you're used to, we have made sure to make it a bit more efficient. So we realized that there was maybe not enough focus on the core skills. Whenever you want to learn a language, you have to focus on the reading, writing, listening and speaking. Those 4 things. No matter what language you want to learn, even if it's Chinese, you have to focus on those 4 things. You have to have plenty of input and output. So that's what we're trying to make now in Dadaal Academy in our lessons. Especially, we want to make them as activity heavy as possible. That means more of a higher focus on ta'bir. If you want to see more about the program, you can scan the QR code, takes to the website that has more information. But we're going to break it all down now, inshallah. So what we've done, we've made the whole course. So before we had foundation, level 1, level 2, level 3. It'll take you a good 4 years to go through the whole program. What we realized is we want to set a more achievable goal and in a shorter duration. So what we've done is we made level 3 as a separate course entirely. And it'll be pretty much the same as it is currently. It's more application of Arabic. So mashallah, we have a few level 3 students here today. They can attest this as well. Level 3 is more applying your Arabic versus level foundation until level 2. Those 3 years, you're learning Arabic. They're going to take usul al-thalatha that they would have taken a foundation, but they're going to take in high foundation, inshallah. And the second term, the last term, term 3, is going to have expression, which is the same ta'bir, how to express yourself, but at a higher level. And it's going to have speaking and comprehension. Now, there was a bit of discussion before, the fact that we removed the hadith lesson where we normally apply the Arabic, but we're going to do that in the comprehension lesson, inshallah. So,
I'm going to ask you all a question. You probably have heard a lot this evening about Arabic, the importance of Arabic, and why you should be learning Arabic. You've heard a lot about it. And I remember that perhaps every single student that I've met, that I interviewed when they first were starting Dadaal, and I asked them, why do you want to learn Arabic? Why do you want to start studying at Dadaal? The answer that I always got was that I want to understand the Quran. But I have a question now, which is, okay, once you understand the Quran, once you comprehend the Quran, once you know what Allah is saying to you in the Quran, what next? What's after understanding the Quran? Any idea? No one knows?
Understanding other people.
Sorry?
Understanding other people.
Understanding other people. Okay, once you understood other people, what next?
Convey the message.
Convey the message. Okay, you conveyed the message. What next? What's meant to happen? You implement it in your life. Okay, you implement it in your life. What's next? Does it start? You have to see the change in society, precisely. Once we understood the Quran, we understand what Allah is saying to us, it must go from that recitation, memorization, understanding to transformation. It must transform me, it must transform my society, it must transform everything around me, and I must be one who is engaging in that. So in order for me to be a person who actually is a person of the Quran, I require 4 things in my life. Number 1, I must learn it intentionally, like you're doing. You're learning Arabic in order to understand Quran. And I'm intentionally learning the Quran.